Welcome to Yeshiva Daf Shir Lui Nishmas. I'm Yaakov Shalom Nabas Yitzchok. We're holding Basra Daf Kuf Chov Beis. The Gemara, we started Daf Kuf Av on base in the bottom, one line before the end. Zok Gemara, Barilu. Eretz Yisrael l'shvatim ifluk v'dima lekarkov gavri ifluk. Was Eretz Yisrael divided to shvatim or to people? It was just divided to the people or to shvatim. What does it mean? So the Rashbam learns. Look at the Rashbam and the Dhamma. The shvatim ifluk. First of all, it's divided to 12 equal pieces. Then each Shevet was divided to people. So, first of all, it's divided to 12. Then you divide each one. That's how the Rashbam learns. Rashi and Chumash learns differently. Rashi and Chumash learns that, no, in other words, there was a chalukah l'shvatim. As according to more, I mean the tzad that the chalukah l'shvatim means, not that every shevet got the same exact amount. Every shevet got an amount based on what they needed, and the more they had, the more people they had, so then they had more shvatim. So if I have a large shevet, more people, they got a larger land. And the chiddush is, we'll see in a moment in the Gemara, that the goyim knew when they did the raffle, did the lot. They were able to figure out the Goyim gave the larger shevet the bigger amount. That's what Rashi learns in Chumash, and the Rambam asked for Rashi from our Gemara. And as we'll see, we have a problem with the other pshat. The Gemara works very well with the Rashbam. Let's see the Gemara. Zok the Gemara. Toshma says the Gemara. We have the pasuk. Bein Rav Lemiat, meaning the Goyim will divide regardless of the size of the shevet, if it's large or small. Right? That's what it says. They don't have the amount. Now, if you tell me like the Rashbam, so what does it mean? Every shevet got the same amount. What happens if they have a lot of people? So they would have the same amount of land, like the small, like the little people, like the ones that have only a few people. So comes out that's not to mean to be around the amount, lot or little. The Rashi and Chumash want to say around the amount means depends. If there were more, they had a bigger land because the Goy will decide to give them a bigger land. The problem is, what do you do with Yosef? Remember a few blad ago, we learned that the people of Shevet Yosef were they said we have too many people. And we don't, why are you giving us the land? So that's where Ramban asked in Rashi. Masha, they didn't get more land. Okay? It says in the right, says, see there, to show in the entire Mashiach will be divided to 13. It started by dividing to 12. It was divided with money. What does it mean with money? So here, the Rashbam, what does it mean with money? I was going to explain in a moment. Right? We'll see. The Gemara understands right now that everybody gave money. If you got a better portion, you'll give money for the lower portion. We'll see in a moment. Shema b'rav l'me'at. And the Gemara explains, if Yehuda sale b'Yehuda shebechamesh seim b'golah. One seim Yehuda is worth 5 seim on golah. They use the goyro, they use the lot. Shenemach b'goyro. They have to have the urim v'tumim. Shenehem al pia goyro. Al pia goyro, the mouth of the goyro. What does it mean? So we'll explain. Haketzat. How do you have urim v'tumim and the goyro? Haketzat. El lozor melubosh urim v'tumim. Those are the same with urim v'tumim. The Yeshiva Kol Yisrael oinim lefonov. Yeshiva Kol Yisrael standing in front of him. If you have two lots, two boxes. One has the shvatim, 12 shvatim, and one has 12 tchumim, 12 different areas. And then the outside, first of all, he says, the base no return. Zvulun oile tchumako. Zvulun oile tchumako oile. He says the return, Zvulun come out, and tchumako goes with him. Tarbekalki, they did the raffle. Shashwatim, Balabir does Zvulun. Tarbekalki, Shatchumim, they did the Tchumim in the areas. Balabir does Tchumaku. The Choyzum Mecham Ruchakosh Roim, and then he does Ruchakosh, says it again. Naftali, Oile, the total coming out from the raffle of the Shvatim. Tchum Ginoisar Oleimon, Tchum Ginoisar comes with him. Tarbekalki, Shvatim, Balabir does Naftali. Tarbekalki, Shatchumim, Balabir does Tchum Ginoisar. V'chen Kol Shev V'Shevet. Now what's the idea? So this needs B or a P Machshava. What does it mean? We'll get to it. Hopefully in the Shom Machshava, but based on what we have over here, the Push Pshat is, what are we talking about? We're talking about the fact that wanted to show that the Chalukah was a Pi Hashem. So therefore, you do a goyrel. Goyrel seems to be random. You have Urim V'Tumim. So you see clearly it's called a Pi Hashem. That's why we had both. The loika Chalukah Shorim Hazeh Chalukah Shorim Haba. Or the Maz Dal Kol Haba. Or the Mazol the Mishlo Sod Lovon Eno Sod Pardis. Someone who has the Sod Lovon, it means the plain field, doesn't have an orchard. Sod Pardis Eno Sod Lovon. Everybody has Har Shem Ve'im. Discusses: is every shevet or every person? Shnei Shar Ruven Echad, Shar Yehuda Echad, Shar Levi Echad. So each one has the same. Hakadosh Baruch Hu Michalek Leim Be'atzot. What was the one who's divided? Shema Ve'elim Machluktum Nu Mashem. That's what it says. Okay. It says clearly in the Brisa that was divided in the beginning to 12 Shvatim. Shvatim Shvatim Yifluk, Shvatim no, see, it's right, the Shvatim, again, we have Machlekes. Is it means that 12 Shvatim, each one got equally? Each Shevet got a different Chelik, and there's some Chalokim which are larger than others. So, there'll be a 13 Shevet, who could be the other one? So the Rashbam learns over here, who's the 12? There will be Shevet Levi. Shevet Levi will get Chelik in Eretz Yisrael. That's what the Rashbam learns. And Ephraim and Menashe will be one, will be Yosef will get one. So 12 Shvatim. That's what will be lost in love. Some will show you argue. They say no. Ephraim and Menashe continues to get. Levi doesn't get. But it's only 12. So well, who's going to get the 13th? Omar V'chizdel Enosi. Give it to Melech HaMashiach. Ch'tiv ha'oived ha'ir yavdu mikol Shetei Yisrael. From all Shetei Yisrael, they give him a Chelik. Who said they could give him a chelik in the land? Maybe they're just going to give him some work. They're going to work for him. They're going to be hired to work for him. Whatever is left over, right? What do you do with the leftover? So you give, in other words, you'll have left, you'll give to the Nasi, except when you give to Beis HaMikdash and Mokomei. Right? So Mashri has a full chelik. If you understand Nasi, Melech HaMashiach needs a chelik like every other shevet. What's Pshar in that? It needs bigger. So the more it was divided by money. What does it mean? Even the Shu Profesanyo, what does it mean? It says the Rashbam. Shu Profesanyo, Mashayusa Zu Yofa Mizu Vizru Mizu, Masik Lebidnei. Right? Whoever has a better chelik, like someone has less, the other one gives them money. It says the Mu'atu Shuftoni Eskina. What does it mean Shuftoni? Shuftoni means fools. What's fools? No. If I'm taking a land that's worth less, so I take more. That's what Rashbam says. It talks about further away or closer to Yerushalayim. Did they pay money for the fact that you're too close to Yerushalayim, or they gave more land? Rashbam says it was equal. If it takes less, if you get a bad land, it takes more. Now here the Chaim Chumash asks of the Rashbam, says, what do you mean? Did you say that it was equally divided? So how are you going to explain that whoever got better land needs to pay for the one who got the worse land? So the one who got the worse land takes 5 times more than the one who got better land. But you just said it was equally divided. So what does it mean? So either the pshat is that it was equally divided originally, and then they had to pay back with land. But the more it comes out, there's some pieces you pay with land, some pieces you pay with money. Or the pshat is that only within the same shevet. The problem, the golden Yehuda is not the same shevet. So this is a problem with the Rashbam. The Chaim says, according to Rashbam, they change their mind, the more changes their mind. That may be a pshat and Rashi. Okay. Says the Gemara, it was a girl. She didn't act begoyru. Tarek begoyru yotzi Yeshua v'kolei. Yeshua v'kolei is he's out there, they didn't have a goyru. Lema, you didn't do a shokol cloud, didn't take anything. How should they allowed to do shokol to do it by? Of course, they took the chelik of miraculous. Of course, they took the whole land. El shaloi notu begoyru el pi Hashem. They didn't take a goyru. They took it. They did it based on Hashem. Hashem told them what they're going to get. Like will be lost love to Am Yisrael. So when Yeshua dechtiv pi Hashem v'nu l'seir sheshol es tim naser b'Ephraim, they gave him the city that he asked for. Tim naser b'Ephraim pi Hashem. Says the Gemara, Kuf Base and Base. What is Tiv Serach? Tiv Serach, Tiv Cheres. So two psukim. There is the Cheres, pasuk in Shoftim. It says Nekruso B'Gvul Nachalos V'Timnas Chores. And then there's the pasuk in Yeshua that says, Api Hashem Nos Nulo Yisayir Shesholas Timnas Serach. So is it Cheres or Serach? So Omar Ablav B'Tchilo Periseo Kecheres. Originally, the fruits were dry like cheres. Then it had so much juice, it would like stink from juice. I mean, in a good way. Yeshua got it, made it much better. In the beginning, they got spoiled. Then they stayed for a long time, they were preserved for a long time. Give the Chevron like Moshe said. So that's what they give it to him. So that's what Kishbohu says. That's what Kishbohu told him 3 Moshe Rabbeinu. Says the Gemara, 1 second, Chevron here miklat avoy. It's one of the miklat. They give him the suburbs. It's there here. It's not the actual city, but the suburbs around the city went to Kol. Zot the Mishnah. The son and the daughter are equal in Nachal. I want to explain what it means. He takes double from the father, not double from the mother. The bonus, they get food from the father, not from the mother. So what does it mean? They both inherit equally. The son goes before the daughter. It also says kids come before the daughter. Omar says, that's what it's saying. They take, which means they take even if the parent didn't inherit, or the grandparent had. So, we learned that already. They got 3 chalakim in the Mishnah. The chelik they got from the father, they went out of Mitzrayim. And what he got with his brothers, even though Cheva did not have it yet. But because it's called a roy, even though the father is already dead. My Elo, what's Elo? So the second question we'll see in a moment. The roy doesn't mean what the Gemara said before going Poiro. It means we want to say that a son is able to inherit something that the father did not get yet. So what does it mean, Elo? Now, next portion of the Gemara is Let's check this Avanim. I didn't speak about father and mother. I spoke about that the son and daughter are equal going Roy. The son takes double by his father, not by his mother.